Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you what a Boolean is in Python 3 and how to use it. Let's get into it. So as you can see, I have the terminal right here. I'm going to type in Python 3 because we're going to want to be using Python 3 and nothing else. So as you can see, I have the Python 3 right here, but it's on a terminal. We're going to make a variable inside the terminal called a. A is going to be equal to 1. And also, we're going to set b equal to 2. And a Boolean, what a Boolean is, it's basically, it can either be true or false. Only those two things. So, if I were to say a equal to b. Equal is when you compare values, and equal is when you assign a value. So, 2 is assigned to b, because b is the variable, and 2 is what's stored inside of b. And, well, what's inside of the variable. And a equal to b, we're comparing them. So 1 and 2. If you compare 1 and 2, what do you get? Enter false. And remember how in the beginning I said that true and false are the only Booleans? Well, it returned a Boolean. Because a, when you compare them, it's not equal to b. So if I said b equal to a, which is basically the same thing but backwards, still false. The answer is still the same. But if I said a equal to exclamation mark, and when exclamation mark, well, it's not this way, exclamation mark equals is what it is, it's just saying not equal to. So you can basically think of the exclamation mark as not, and the equal to as equal to. Yeah. And then a is going to be not equal to b. And then what do you think it will output? Is a not equal to b? True, because a is not equal to b. A is 1, b is 2, and 1 is not equal to 2.